remember, if I can cook it, so can you. Brazilian farofa. Farofa. This is a delicious side dish that I personally like to eat with rice and beans and other Brazilian type dishes. This particular one dish, I'm going to use a couple of cups of cassava flour. Some people like to grab the cassava root and create the flour from scratch. I found the flour. I'm not going to kill myself. I'm not going to go crazy. In addition to that, get a yellow onion, chop it, finely, pieces, very fine, yellow onion. Have some salt, have some black pepper too, powder. Also have, let's say, for 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter. In essence, 4 tablespoons per cup. I have 2 cups, 4 tablespoons. I have some black olive, which is the preference. If you don't like olive, you don't have to use it. And make sure you have some extra virgin olive oil because you're going to need a little bit. And I'm going sunflower because you have a neutral taste and flavor, but you can use whatever you wish. This is very easy. So I have a pan. This happens to be cast iron, medium low. First thing I'm going to do, this been heating for about a minute or two. I'm going to add the butter. I cut it almost in even size because I want it to melt evenly as much as possible. Relatively even, not identical. So let me add this butter here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to let it melt. But first, I'm going to add a tiny bit of oil to assist with the melting. I like just a little bit. And you're going to let this baby melt completely, okay? Now that it's fully melted, add your onions. And what you're going to do, you're going to let them become kind of translucent. Same heat, medium low. You don't want this fried or burning. And you might want to let this go for about 8, maybe 10 minutes. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. Now what you're going to do is add the cassava flour. Don't dump it, just add it, carefully. Distribute. Let me go to lefty so you can see. Distribute around. I'm going to mix this baby. You're going to be doing this for 4 minutes, okay? It's been about maybe 45 seconds, and look at the color. It's taking this kind of beige looking color, but you want to cook. So you're going to be moving this around. It's not going to be soapy or any crazy thing like that. You're going to mix this for about maybe 3 minutes. Okay? Now it comes the salt to taste. Don't go crazy. Don't go crazy. Some pepper. Black pepper. Just a little bit. And you know what? Here comes the olive. little bit. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix everything together. This is ready. Just going to mix it together, okay? Let me turn this heat off. It's been 4 minutes. And it's ready. Here it is.